Hello students, in previous video we learned how we can convert a decimal number to binary number, then decimal number to octal number and decimal number to hexadecimal number. Then we learned how we can convert a binary number into octal and a binary number to hexadecimal and vice versa also. So in all these videos we learned the conversion of without decimal points or without point value. So today we learned how we can convert a number into another convert with decimal point values. So first we took example decimal to binary conversion with point value. For example, we have 25.625 in decimal number. We have to convert this number into binary number. So we will convert this number in two steps. So step 1, first we took value of without decimal points 25 and convert into binary number. To do this we factorize by 2. After the factorize by 2 this number, our result is 11001, the base of 2. In step 2, for point values, 4 point values, we multiply by this number by 2. So 0.625 multiply by 2, so which equals to 1.250. so our this one we write here and point values 0.250 we write here, again multiply by 2, then 0.500. so this 0 number we write here and 0.50 we write here and multiply by 2, this 1.000. So this number is multiplied by we write here. Now our point value is 0.000. So after this no calculation will be done or no calculation cannot be done. So our output is 101. So this output we write from up to down. So our final output is for 25.1101 point and 101. So let us start another time, one more time. In first step we write 25 and factor by 2. So after the factor by 2 our output is this. For point values our write 0.625 into 2, so 1.250. so this one we write here and point values 0.250 we write here, then again multiply by 2. This multiplication done till our point value is not 000. Then after the 000 getting we write this output from top to bottom, then after the top to bottom then our result, final result is 1101.101 multiply this base is 2. So another example is this: if the binary number is given with point, then we have to convert into decimal values. So basic rule is same which we discussed in earlier videos. First we write all these number separately, 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 1. Then we multiply all these number from 2. After the multiply by 2 we have to add power. So before the point value we start power from 0 1 2 3 4, and after the point values, after the point 2 की power -1 -2 and -3. So then we solve this. So 1 into 2 की power -1 equals to 1 divided by 2 and 0 remains 0, and 1 into 2 की power -3 is equals to 1 divided by 8. Then we solve this, then our output is 25.625, which is base is 10. So again we understand, to convert any binary number into decimal value, first we write all these numbers separately. After the writing all numbers separately, we multiply all number by 2 because we have to convert into decimal value and number is given in the binary format. Then we add power. To add power, before point value we start adding power by 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after the point value we start giving power -1, -2 and -3. Then we solve this, then our output is 25.625. Same thing can be done for decimal to octal or decimal to hexadecimal. So in decimal to octal, all the task, all the factor is done by 8 and multiplication is done by the 8. Whenever we convert the octal number into decimal number, then multiplication is done by the 8. And to convert decimal to hexadecimal with point value, we have to factorize by 16. For point value we have to multiply by 16, and to convert hexadecimal number into decimal number we have to multiply by 16 instead of 2. So today we learned how we can convert a decimal number into a binary number with point value, and a binary number can be converted into decimal number with point values.